can't hear anything.
I can't hear anything either. What?
It's so loud, I can't hear anything.
Oh.
I'm just trying to watch our show.
Me too.
It's so freaking loud.
Turn that dang AC off.
Oh my goodness. That's ridiculous. We have to find a solution.
I have one.
You have one?
I have a solution.
Oh yeah?
We could just not use it.
Oh, I don't like that solution. It's hot.
Yeah, it's too hot to not use it. But that's a good one.
I'm just trying to watch the TV and not be blown out of the room.
That's horrible. Do you have any solutions?
I don't know. We should look into it.
Hey guys, I'm Alicia.
And I'm Jeff.
And we're down to RV.
Anyway, so obviously a lot of people have the same problem. As soon as that roof AC comes on, you can't hear anything. It's deafening.
It's a really annoying. It's an overpowering white noise is what it is.
You're just trying to enjoy a show or maybe have a simple conversation. Even from this distance, that AC kicks on, you're not hearing much over that. Now, we're thankful for the AC, obviously.
Very thankful, because it's been really hot.
Especially here right now. It's been hot and very humid. We got to run that AC, but how can we do anything else when we have that deafening noise? So, a little bit of research, and we found this product. We are not sponsored by them. We're just making this video because we like to review things that we buy.
Especially for the RV.
So this thing's called the RV AC Silencer. It's made by Waco products.
This model is the DA100.
It is the DA100. Now they make many different ones, so it fits on plenty of different ones. We just happen to have the GIMMICK unit, so this one fits the GIMMICK unit. And it claims to reduce the air noise, okay? So it's not a complete silencer. That's not what it does, even though they call it a AC silencer. It's supposed to reduce the noise. So to be fair and let everybody else know how our experience is, we're gonna go ahead and install it up there. I'm gonna take some measurements first with a sound meter, right?
Yep.
So we're gonna measure with a sound meter. We're gonna take an initial reading of just what it sounds like without the AC silencer on there. And then we'll install this RV AC silencer from Waco products and see how much it lowers the noise. And besides the comparison that we'll do with the actual decibel rating, we'll also just give you our general opinion. You know, does it actually make a difference? Is it worth it? I think we paid $200 for this unit. So $200 is kind of a lot of money. But well, since we're here, let's go ahead and open this bad boy up and see what's inside.
The main cover.
So it comes with...
That's a housing cover.
It's like the housing cover. It comes with its own filter, which that's kind of nice actually, because we use those foam filters now, and those things are garbage. This is like a fixed filter that'll be easy to wash. I've seen these in residential ACs before, so that's nice to have. We've got instructions. There's some screws. They even give you a little silver tape in there.
Right in there.
And then there's the outer portion. This is supposed to cover the whole thing up, and it's got some kind of silencing material in there. So
this does too.
Yeah, so there's a baffle here and there's a baffle here. So it looks pretty simple. Let's get to task and install this thing and see how it works. So this is about as scientific as we could make it, using the tools we have available to us, because obviously we don't have a professional audio meter. This is just an app I downloaded off the App Store. It's called Sound Meter. Has 4.5 stars, so it seems pretty accurate.
Now we're taking a reading right at the AC, and it's between 68 and 71 decibels.
Listen to that noise. Ugh. Let's swap this thing out. See how it goes. Instructions? We don't need those. Seems pretty simple. It says remove the 6 screws that hold the cover in place, as well as remove the filter and the cover for the filter. Alright, we've achieved maximum cooling. Alright, so this is weird. With the aluminum tape provided, cover the rectangular cold air duct hole on the mounting plate. Other holes are not needed. So basically it's saying that we're going to lose our dump vent. I call it the dump vent. But where we can just slide this open and get extra cooling, because we have a ducted system. They sell it ducted or non-ducted for these silencers. So they want us to cover up this supply air hole. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. So I happen to know an AC guy, and he gave me some silver tape. I think it's a little better than the stuff they gave, so I'm going to use that tape instead. Alright, that step's done. Next step. Place the black base onto the mounting plate, lining up the 6 holes in the air conditioner. Insert and carefully tighten 6 screws. So now we're putting on the base plate.
Okay, you only have 4 screws now?
Best thing right there. Don't forget, if you like this video and you like this type of video, make sure you comment, make sure you subscribe, and make sure you follow us along our travels, because we're going to do a lot more of this stuff. There's a lot of things we buy, and we don't often review things, but we thought, well, I think a lot of people have the same issue, so go ahead and hit that subscribe button right now before I forget to tell you. Alright, base plate's in place. Next step, insert the filter onto 4 screws. What? Now, just from a general observation, I will say that the filter is going to be better and hold in place, but having to take screws on and off every time or loosen them, that's kind of a pain in the neck. Filter is going to be super nice and easy to clean. Alright, place the white cover over the black base. Oh, boy, that sure does change the look of it, doesn't it? Now we have more AC inside. Yeah, I can already tell there's going to be a price to pay when it comes to changing the filter. You got to loosen these screws, and you got to take these screws off this outer casing.
And we are between 63 and 65.
Alright, does it work?
Oh boy, does it. It's a huge difference.
It's dramatic. It's made a huge difference. Now, it's not silent.
It's not silent, but it is much quieter.
We're recording right now. The fan is on high.
Yes.
And normally, we wouldn't be able to record it all with the fan on high. Now, you may hear some of the noise in the background. It's still making some noise. I know the sound meter said that we only lost, what?
Like 5
or 6 decibels,
yeah.
But the sound is just completely different in here. So, is it worth $200 to you to quiet it down a little bit? I know that I don't feel bad about it, because that's definitely going to help us watch TV.
Well, it's going to help us watch TV, talk on our phones.
Yeah, have a normal conversation. So
record videos.
Alright, so that's the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed. I hope you come back to see more of these types of videos. We're going to make plenty of them, along with our travel videos and our interview videos. We're definitely going to do a lot of product reviews, because we're RVers and we like to share what we learn, so that's why we watch YouTube too. So,
I'm happy with the final product.
I'm happy with it too.
It's really nice.
It was worth the money, especially for us. I'll get back to you guys probably in a couple videos to let you know how it is after we've tried it out over a long period of time. But just judging by right now, it's awesome.
And we're gonna throw in when we have to change, or well, not change, but clean the AC filter.
Yeah, we'll see how difficult that AC filter is going to be to clean, because it's not a big filter, and it's going to be a lot of screws taken out to get to it. But I think it's worth the silence, the little bit of sound dampening.
Well, so we'll see you guys later.
We'll see you on the next video.